Welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Navili MLA Luisin Falero left for Kolkata from Goa airport on Tuesday afternoon. When questioned about his purpose of his travel, Falero said that he is working on his fight against the BJP and declined to reveal more details.
Wait. Sir, today you are leaving for Kolkata. What is the decision? How are you feeling about the decision that you've taken? Finally.
You must have known with my press conference yesterday, and you will know it very soon.
Sir, many more people are likely to join the TMC. That is what the feelers are getting.
I don't know. It is a movement. And definitely when a movement starts, it starts. And it will start.
So
You
you're
will
leaving.
see it.
So you're leaving alone today, sir, or you have some more people going with you?
I don't know how many people are going. I am going.
But we will lead a party in Goa.
I don't know. I have not decided. I have just resigned yesterday.
Okay.
I am working out my fight against the BJP.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, one last question is that now that you're going to
Don't worry, I
Kolkata.
cannot do anything without telling you.
Yeah, sir, are you formally joining the TMC tomorrow, or what is?
I will let you know.
After former senior Congress leader Luisin Falero left the Congress party in Goa, my supporters and well-wishers from Navili and all across South Goa and Goa forced me to join the Congress party, says former Navili MLA and Minister Avatan Furtado on Tuesday after officially joining the Goa Congress party.
And when people started seeing that I'm really working hard for them, they kept on insisting, why don't you give a last try? And that too, why not on a Congress ticket? Then I thought of it, since people are after me, my supporters were after me, I said, okay, let me give it a try. And as Girish and Mr. Digambar, I used to be meeting them every day in the morning. I used to keep asking them, do you think I stand a chance to fight on a Congress ticket? But the answer was not that very positive, because I understand they had a senior leader with them and he was representing my constituency. But still, I never said, okay, I'm not going to ask you again. I kept trying. Finally, my pathway was clear. And when the news spread that Mr. Falero is going to leave Congress and join TMC, sincerely talking, the people of Navili, my supporters, just flocked together. Why don't you take a chance now? This is the right time for you to join Congress. Not only from Navili, but from different parts of Goa, people started calling me, join, we are with you. They even said, if you want me to talk, even if they want to talk to Mr. Girish and all, we are there ready. We are ready to come out with you. But finally, when I asked Girish, Girish said, you are welcome, do come and join. People of Navili are really disheartened because our MLA disowned us. Without asking anybody, he just left the constituency like a hot cake. People now realize that supporting him for the last 4.5 years, it was useless. And they clearly mentioned to me, if he thinks of coming back, we'll teach him a lesson. Now we have taken you as our leader and we want you to stand by us throughout. I said, yes, I will do it. They seem to say you are not highlighting whatever work I had been doing for the last 5 years when I was the minister. So they said, you talk less. That's why people didn't know what all you did during your term. But I always believed. And I think I'll keep on doing it. I'll talk less, but I'll work more for the people of my constituency. And I once again thank the Congress family for getting me in. And I promise that I'll do my best to revive Congress in Navili.
While cases of COVID are under control in the state, there are n number of viral infection cases that are on rise. Several cases of viral fever, cold, and other similar symptom cases are on rise. On Tuesday, speaking to HCN, Senior Health Officer spoke on how one should take care of himself or herself during this time.
फ्लू म्हणटा पयलीं तो डेफिनेटली वाडला आनी इवन आमचे प्रायवेट क्लिनिक्स किंवा आमचे गव्हर्मेंट क्लिनिक्स आसा पळय न्ही आमचे OPDs बीन आसा तेज्यो फ्लू लायक इलनेस आमी म्हणटाले ते केसीस वाडपाक लागले. नाव फ्लू लायक इलनेस म्हटल्यार कितें लक्षणां येता की जोर येवपाक लागता लोकांक, नाक व्हांवपाक लागता, शिंको येता, ताळो जड लागता, हेडेक जाता, ह्यो गजाली येता. इवन तेज्या वांगडा खूब बॉडी एक जाता. सो ही लक्षणां दिसता तांच्या भितर. आतां खुबश्यो अश्यो केसीस ज्यो आमच्या OPDन सापडल्या आमकां तांकां जेन्ना टेस्ट केले तेन्ना तेंचे स्पेशली कोवीड टेस्ट केले तेन्ना ते कोवीड नेगेटीव फ्लू मेळ्ळा. आनी प्रॉब्ली हो जो फ्लू आतां आयला पळय न्हू तो आमकां 1-2 वर्सां फाटीं नाशिल्लो. जेन्ना कोवीड आमचो चालू जालो तेन्नाच्यान असले फ्लू केसीस येयनासल्यो. ते आमकां तेज्या पयलीं आमकां कॉमन कोल्ड म्हणून येताले पळय न्ही त्यो केसीस खंय तरी परत येवपाक लागले आतां. आनी ताच्या खातीर लोकांनी काळजी घेवपाची गरज आसा. स्पेशली जी ल्हान भुरगीं आमच्या घरान आसतलीं किंवा जाणटी मनशां आसतलीं घरान किंवा कोणी इवन नेणटे मनीस जांकां कसली कोमोबिड कंडिशन आसतले जशें की डायबिटीज आसतले, हायपरटेन्शन आसतलें, कसली मेजर वखदां घेता किडनी खातीर, लिव्हराचे डिसीज खातीर, हे जे लोक आसा हेंची चड काळजी घेवची पडटली. आनी काळजी म्हटल्यार मेन जे आमकां त्रास जाता पळय न्हू आंगाक म्हणजे जोरान त्रास जाता किंवा फिवर येता तेन्ना. सो फिवर येता तेन्ना एक म्हटल्यार जे पॅरासिटामॉल वखद आसा पळय तेंच दिवचें. पॅरासिटामॉल सोडून दुसरें कांय दिवपाक जायना. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार तांकां कोल्ड स्पॉन्जींग जे आमी उदकाची घडी घालता पळय ते घालपाक जाता. आनी हितून एक लक्षांत दवरपाचें की जेन्ना जेन्ना कॉम्प्लिकेशन जाता फिवरान ते चडशे फावटी डिहायड्रेशना खातीर कॉम्प्लिकेशन जाता. सो ताच्या खातीर तांचो वॉटर इनटेक आसतलो, उदक पिवपाचें जें आसतलें पूण तें सारकें पळोवपाक जाय. आनी जाता तितलें उदक पिवपाक जाय किंवा पातळ जें जेवण आसता जशें आमचें पेज म्हटलें, आडसराचें उदक म्हटलें किंवा जे ज्यूस करता ते जातले किंवा आमचें लिंबू पाणी किंवा आनी हें सगळें जर अवेलेबल ना एटलिस्ट ORS कॅन बी टेकन. आनी हें जर दिलें जाल्यार ताका एटलिस्ट डिहायड्रेशन जावपाक पावचें ना. आनी ताच्या उपरांत ताबडतोब जाता तितले बेगीन तुमचे एक तर प्रायवेट डॉक्टर आसा किंवा आमचे सगळ्याचे जे हेल्थ सेंटर्स OPD ज्या जाग्यार चालू आसा थंय वचून डॉक्टराक मेळचें आनी तुमी डॉक्टरा कडल्यान सल्लो घेवचो.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that tourism activities have resumed in the state. The government is working on to get better touristic infrastructure in Goa. Goa is well known across the globe for its tourism, and it's time to have the world best class services of tourism related. CM also spoke on the police should be good and stop harassing the tourists in Goa.
हांव येवकार दिता, हांव तेंचें स्वागत करता. आय वेलकम ऑल द टुरिजम, इंटरनॅशनल एंड नॅशनल टुरिजम इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा विथ फॉलोवींग ऑल द प्रोटोकॉल्स, नॉर्म्स ऑफ द कोवीड प्रोटोकॉल. म्हाका सांगपाक खूब खोस भोगता वर्ल्ड टुरिजम डेच्या दिसा आयज आमी खासा टुरिस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन सेंटर ह्या कांदोलीच्या बिचार आमी सुरवात करता आसतना म्हणजे 24/7 आमचे पुलीस सदोदीत म्हणजे विथ अतिथी देवो भव ह्या नॉर्म्साच्या सकयल सदोदीत सगळ्या टुरिस्टांची काळजी घेवपा खातीर आमचे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट नॉट ओन्ली एट द कांदोळी बट नॉर्थांतले जे प्रायम बीच आसा मागीर तो सगळे मोर्जी आसतलो, हरंबल आसतलो, कलंगूट आसतलो, बागा आसतलो, हाजेर सगळे सर्विसीस आमचे पुलीस दितलेच. ताज्याय भायर सावथांतले जे प्रायम बीचीस आसा थंयसरूय बी तांकां नॉट ओन्ली द इन्फॉर्मेशन बट सेफ्टी ऑफ द टुरिस्ट which is a prime for us. Not only the government, म्हणजे गोंयांत जर टुरिजम वाडटलें आसत आनी गोंयांत बऱ्यांतलें बरें जर टुरिजम येतलें आसत वी हॅव ऑलरेडी आमची टुरिजम पॉलिसी फायनलायज जाली. आमचो नवीन बोर्ड वीच इज एन अलॉंग वीथ द TTEG वी हॅव टेकन द TTEG ऑल्सो इन टू द कॉन्फिडन्स. म्हणजे फुडल्या टुरिजम पॉलिसी डिसायड करता आसतना आमकां स्टेटीक बऱ्यांतले बरे टुरिस्ट कशे येवचे. एप्रॉक्सिमेटली मोर दॅन 85 lakhs ऑफ द टुरिस्ट एन्युअली येता. अजून हाजो नंबर आनी क्वॉलिटी टुरिस्ट कशा पद्दतीन येतले हें जर डिसायड करतले आसत जाल्यार नॉट ओन्ली द गव्हर्मेंट, फक्त गव्हर्मेंट डिसायड करपाक शकचें ना. त्या खातीर हांवें म्हटलें फ्रॉम द हाय एंड हॉटेल्स टू लास्ट टू द टॅक्सी ओनर्स पर्यंत हे सगळे जाण जर ऑन बोर्ड आयले देन एंड देन ओन्ली इट इज अ पॉसिबल आमकां टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री फ्लरीश करपा खातीर आमी कशा पद्दतीन करतले तें आमच्यान डिसायड करूं येता. मागीर भितर स्मॉल हॉटेलर्स आयले, बाकीचे सगळे आयले, इवन टू द टुरिस्ट गायड आयले. हे सगळे जर आमी फ्रेंडली रिलेशन्स म्हणजे प्रत्येकाक जो टुरिस्ट हांगा एकदां येता तेणी 10 फावटी गोंय प्रमोट करपाची गरज आसा. आमी वचून नॅशनली आनी इंटरनॅशनली म्हणजे आमचे टुरिस्ट प्रमोट करच्या पेक्षा गोंयांत टुरिजम कशें आसा, गोंयांतले स्टेक होल्डर कसो आसा हें प्रमोट करप गरजेचें आसा. आनी तेंच्या कडल्यान जें प्रमोशन जातलें तेजी आमकांय करपाची गरज ना. तेन्ना चडांत चड लोक हे गोंया कडेन येवपाक एट्रॅक्ट जातले, ताजी आमकां गरज आसा. म्हाका दिसता ह्या पॅन्डमिकांत आमकां नॅशनल किंवा इंटरनॅशनल टुरिस्ट गोंयांत आमी एट्रॅक्ट करपाक शकतले बिकॉज आमी 100% वॅक्सिनेशन येता त्या 31 ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत आमी पुराय करतले. आनी वीथ ऑल म्हणजे आमी जशें म्हणटा की सेफ टुरिजम जर कोणी इंटरनॅशनल टुरिस्ट सुद्दां गोंया कडेन जर पळयतले आसत वेन वी ओन्ली आमी जेन्ना अनावन्स करतले वीथ बोथ द वॅक्सिनेशन safety, but whatever the information they require for the tourist, that also information will share with the tourist. म्हणून हांवें म्हटलें की टुरिस्ट गायड आसतलो, टुरिस्टाचो टॅक्सीवालो आसतलो, पायलट आसतलो, स्मॉल हॉटेलर्स आसतलो, रेस्टॉरंटवालो आसतलो, बीग हॉटेलर्स आसतलो, जे कोण आमी हांगासर इवन दो टुरिजम इंडस्ट्रींतले बाकीचे सगळे लोक आमी तांकां बऱ्यांतली बरी इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली, बऱ्यांतली बरी आमी सेफ्टी दिली आसत जाल्यारूच हे पॉसिबल जावपाक शकता. वर्ल्ड टुरिजम डेच्या दिसा आमी सगळे जाण म्हाका दिसता परत एकदा शपथबद्ध जावपाची गरज आसा. आमी प्रत्येकाक गोंयांत जो येतलो ताका आमी अतिथी देवो भव ह्या भावनेंतल्यान आमी सगळे जाण पळयतले. आमी सगळे जाण सदोदीत टुरिजम वाडपा खातीर आमी तशें म्हणटा की गोंयांत म्हणजे डे बाय डे टुरिजम वाडत आसा. डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ टुरिस्ट इज ऑल्सो कमींग. हांवें पळयलें की आमी मेडिकल टुरिजम प्रमोट करता, स्पिरिच्युअल टुरिजम ऑल्सो वी आर प्रमोटींग, इंटरलँड टुरिजम वी आर प्रमोटींग. आनी आतां एक नवें डेवलप जाल्लें आसा पॉलिटिकल टुरिजम, तेजी बी सुरवात सद्या गोंयांत जाल्ली आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता. इलेक्शन लागीं पावलां, ताजी सुरवात नव्यान जाल्या, खूब पॉलिटिकल टुरिजमूय बी सुरू जाला. कांयच हरकत ना, हांव वेलकम करता सगळ्या पद्दतीच्या टुरिजमाक.
On Tuesday, the state celebrated Rabies Day. Speaking to HCN senior health officer spoke on the importance of injecting the dogs with rabies dose and also the rates of rabies.
Today on 28th September, we observe World Rabies Day. रेबीज हे सगळ्यांनी लोकांनी ऐकलं असतं. रेबीज हे दुयेंस एक अशें दुयेंस आसा जें जर कोणाक जालें जाल्यार इट इज 100% फॅटल. म्हणजे एकदां दुयेंस जातकीर थंयच्यान परत येवपाक चान्सीस खूब डिफिकल्ट, व्हेरी व्हेरी स्मॉल चान्सीस. आनी ताच्याच खातीर रेबीज हें दुयेंस जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा तेन्ना सामकें गरजेचें आसा की जेन्ना कोणाक डॉग बायट किंवा कॅट बायट किंवा वायल्ड एनिमल बायट जर जाता जशें की मंकीज बीन आसा तेन्ना लोकांनी आमच्या ताबडतोब हेल्थ सेंटरान येवन वॅक्सीन आनी इम्युनोग्लोबुलीन म्हणून जे 2 इंजेक्शनां आसा ती घेवपाची सामकी गरज आसा. सो ह्या वर्साचो जो वर्ल्ड रेबीज डे आसा ऑन 28 सप्टेंबर विच इज टुडे, द थीम इज रेबीज फॅक्ट्स अँड नॉट फियर्स. दॅट मिन्स जेन्ना आमकां रेबीजा फक्त फॅक्ट्स खबर आसतले तेन्ना आमकां चड रेबीजाचो भंय दिसचो ना. सो ताज्या खातीर लोकांक सगळ्यांक सांगपाक सोदता की फुडें येयात. वेनेवर यू गेट अ डॉग बायट, कॅट बायट ऑर एनी बायट, वेन यू हॅव डावट इन अ मायंड, प्लीज कम टू आवर हेल्थ सेंटर्स. टेक कन्सल्ट आवर मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स देर. वॅक्सीन आनी जो दुसरो इम्युनोग्लोबुलीन जो आसा पळय ते हे मेडिसिन्स किंवा हे इंजेक्शन्स सगळे आमच्या PSCनी, CSCनी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आनी इवन इन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज हे सगळ्या सेंटराचेर फ्री अवेलेबल आसा. आनी इट इज 100% सेफ. लाखांनी इंजेक्शनां दिल्ली गेल्लीं आसा अजून पर्यंत. आनी वन इम्पॉर्टंट मेसेज इज रेबीज एकदां जालो की थंयच्यान मागीर तुका सांबाळपाक कांय ना आमचे कडेन मेडिसीन सद्या. सो ओन्ली मेडिसीन वॉट वी हॅव इज बिफोर यू गेट अ रेबीज डिसीज. सो वेनेवर यू गेट अ बायट यू हॅव टू टेक अ वॅक्सीन. आनी ताच्या बरोबर इवन तुमकां TTचे इंजेक्शन जर लागीं तुमी घेवना जाल्यार TTचे इंजेक्शन सुद्दां दिल्लें घेतलें. बट रेबीज वॅक्सीन इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू टेक आफ्टर एनी डॉग बायट, कॅट बायट ऑर एनी अदर wild animal bite like monkeys.
FC Goa is all set to clash with the rivals Bengaluru FC in the semi-finals of Durand Cup 2021. This time, fans of FC Goa will miss the senior players as few are on their national duty in Maldives for the SAF Cup 2021. But the head coach, Juan Fernando, said that he has young and talented squad to take Bengaluru FC. The match will be played in Kolkata on Wednesday evening. FC Goa eyes to win the Durand Cup 2021 title by defeating Bengaluru FC in the semis tomorrow. This time, the fans of FC Goa will miss their senior players as few are on their national duty in Maldives for SAF Cup. However, the head coach said that his young and talented squad is all set to take on Bengaluru FC. Watch.
How do you prepare the team without the India internationals who have gone for the SAF Cup? Does
Okay.
it disrupt your plans?
No, I think it's repeat. Our target here is to work like a pre-season. We are play the games for us because it's very important. We check the development teams players which come with us to prepare systems. Of course, now it's the players is in national team. This time it's not possible to work with them, but repeat, our plan, our target was totally to work like in pre-season or thinking about, oh, it's a disaster. No. I think it's good because the people wants to watch them the match in a stadium or also in at home. I think 6 p.m. is a good time because the players are more ready. The weather is better, and in this case, the show for football soccer players is better than 2 o'clock. The last game for us, for example, here is Leander. After 10 minutes in the first half, the players has a lot of problems because the weather is very hot, and then the condition of the pitch is difficult. Then it's not possible to play in for well football. You know, it's necessary to drink water every 10 minutes. It's necessary water break. It's necessary the rhythmic. It's necessary to stop. It's difficult, but for a show, for good for the people to love football is better this time. No, because I was talking all the time the same. We are here for a work like in pre-season. Our target is to prepare the team, to check the young players, to time to prepare different plans, step by step to play, step by step to improve. No, we are not come here thinking about it's necessary to win the trophy. No. This is the truth. To be honest, when the sport director and president told me about, okay, exists this option, for me say, okay, it's perfect, because we have games, we have time to training sessions, but never was thinking like, oh, come here and to try to win the tournament. And then the pressure.
Yeah, this is for Leander. Leander, hi. Congrats on last game. You did well, scored a goal, became the man of the match also. Can you just take us through your first goal for the team?
It's always a good when you score your first goal for the senior level. So it was a good. I am very happy to help my team in attacking ways. So it was good experience. Before we were young team, so it was difficult that time. But now we have experienced players in our squad, which supports a lot, so that we improve, and it gives different feeling.
Okay. One last question is basically, Leander, as I said, you were the captain of the dev team before, and then you got into the squad last year, and this time around you're playing some regular games. I think you debuted in the semifinals. How much has life changed, and how more confident are you about yourself?
As a player, when you get match time, confidence start coming. So now I'm getting a bit match time. So my confidence is going a little high as I get match time.
The Indian Meteorological Department, the IMD, in its forecast said that Goa will witness heavy rainfall of 6.4 centimeters till the September 29th. Yesterday, deep depression over South Odisha, Chhattisgarh weakened into depression, moved west-northwestward, and lay centered at 8:30 hours IST of the 28th of September 2021.
Namaskar. At 8:30 a.m. of 27th September, for the past 24 hours, light to moderate rainfall only was reported from the stations over Goa. 13 स्टेशन में सिर्फ 4 स्टेशन से रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट हुआ और सबसे ज़्यादा रिपोर्ट हुआ था सांकलिम से, जो कि 2 सेंटीमीटर रहा। और आज के दिन तक का, यानी कि अप टू 27 सितंबर तक का अगर सीजनल स्टेट एवरेज मानसून रेनफॉल क्यूमुलेटिव वैल्यू हम देखेंगे तो वो नॉर्मल से 5% हायर है और अराउंड 31 सेंटीमीटर अभी तक क्यूमुलेटिव रेनफॉल हुआ है अगेंस्ट अ नॉर्मल वैल्यू ऑफ 29.5 सेंटीमीटर्स। अभी तक अगर आज के दिन का सिग्निफिकेंट वेदर सिस्टम के बारे में बोले तो देयर वाज दिस साइक्लोन गुलाब विच हैड इट्स लैंडफॉल ओवर नॉर्थ आंध्र प्रदेश, साउथ ओडिशा ऑन येस्टरडे। कल उसका लैंडफॉल हुआ था और लैंडफॉल के बाद भी उसका वेस्टवर्ड नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड मूवमेंट जारी है। आफ्टर लैंडफॉल उसका वीकनिंग हुआ और आज 27 सितंबर की 8:30 को वो एक डीप डिप्रेशन के फॉर्म पे है साउथ ओडिशा और साउथ छत्तीसगढ़ के ऊपर, और आने वाले घंटों में भी उसका वीकनिंग और वेस्टवर्ड साउथ वेस्टवर्ड वेस्टवर्ड नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड मूवमेंट जारी रहेगा। इट विल weaken into a depression in coming 6 hours, and further it will weaken into a well marked low pressure area in the coming in the subsequent 24 hours. Or there is a good possibility it will keep on moving westward northwestward and it will emerge over Gujarat coast in northeast Arabian Sea on 30th of September। यानी कि ये सिस्टम का मूवमेंट होगा वेस्टवर्ड नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड और वो गुजरात कोस्ट के आसपास एमर्ज होने के चांसेस है 30 सितंबर को, और उसके बाद के 24 आवर्स में उसका फर्दर इंटेंसिफिकेशन और वेस्टवर्ड मूवमेंट होने के चांसेस है। और ये सिस्टम के अलावा आज के दिन 27 को और एक ट्रफ भी है जो नॉर्थ कोंकण से ये सिस्टम तक एक्सटेंड हो रहा है। ये दोनों सिस्टम को देखते हुए there is a good possibility that rainfall over Goa also will increase in these 3 days starting from 27th। IMD ने पहले ही फोरकास्ट किया था कि 27th से रेनफॉल इंक्रीज होने के चांसेस हैं और 27th, 28th और 29th सितंबर को 3 दिन हेवी रेनफॉल होने के चांसेस है आइसोलेटेड प्लेसेस में गोवा के ऊपर। और इन दैट 27th को there is possibility of very heavy rainfall also, that is rainfall exceeding 11.5 centimeters in 24 hours. There is on 27th there is possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over north and south Goa districts, and on 28th and 29th there is possibility of isolated heavy rainfall। और ये दिनों में शॉर्ट इंटेंस स्पेल्स और रेनफॉल के साथ साथ अराउंड 40 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर तक के विंड स्पीड के भी चांसेस हैं। और आने वाले दिनों में भी ये रेनफॉल और विंड स्पीड सब जो सिस्टम के बारे में हम बोल रहे थे उसके लोकेशन और इंटेंसिटी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहेगा, इसलिए प्लीज़ बी रेगुलरली अपडेटेड अबाउट द वेदर वार्निंग्स दैट IMD इश्यूज इन दिस कमिंग डेज। अभी आज के दिन का लेटेस्ट रडार इमेज हम देखेंगे तो हम देख सकते हैं कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट sector of Goa। There is good possibility that these clouds will approach Goa coast in the afternoon or in the late evening, and rainfall activity may pick up over Goa in the late hours of today। So जैसे ये सिस्टम का मूवमेंट होगा वेस्ट नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड तो उसके साथ विंड स्पीड भी बढ़ने वाला है along the coast on 28th and 29th along Maharashtra Goa coast। wind speed could be around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour। तो इसलिए it is advised that fishermen should not venture into sea along and off South Maharashtra Goa coast, even the entire Maharashtra Goa coast on 28th and 29th of September। Once again it is requested that please be updated with the warnings issued by IMD। All this information is available on IMD's social media accounts and also on its website।
Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thank you for watching HCN. For more alerts and updates, please do follow us at O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter.